Let me tell you about my family. I come from a big family. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I'm an only child. I have 1 older brother. I have a younger sister. My parents live in Tokyo. My father is a teacher. My mother works at a hospital. My dad likes fishing. My mom loves to cook. My parents are very kind. I live with my family. I don't live with my parents. My sister is still in high school. My brother is studying abroad. I have a baby sister. My grandfather is 80 years old. My grandmother makes great food. My grandparents live in the countryside. We visit them every summer. I have many cousins. My cousin is like a best friend. We often have family dinners. We are very close. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Are you the oldest child? I'm the youngest in my family. I'm the middle child. My brother is very funny. My sister is good at drawing. My family supports me a lot. We enjoy spending time together. We like watching movies as a family. We often go on trips together. My parents are very understanding. My dad is a little strict. My mom is very friendly. I talk to my family every day. I miss my family when I travel. My family is important to me. We always celebrate birthdays together. Do you live with your family? What does your father do? What's your mother like? How many people are in your family? I have a pet dog, too. Our family is very close-knit. I love my family very much. That's a little about my family.